together with SB19.
Confirmed, SB19 will serenade on the Binibining Pilipinas 2025. Remember when the viewers of Miss Universe Philippines wished it was SB19 who serenaded the contestants? Well, mangyayari nga yan, pero sa Binibining Pilipinas Grand Coronation Night 2025. And yes, confirmed na yan. For the third time, SB19 will be the guest of Binibining Pilipinas Grand Coronation Night. This will happen on June 15, 2025 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
And Kylie Versosa, together with SB19. So buy your tickets now.
For sure, this will be another iconic performance of our P-Pop King, SB19. Now, ano sa tingin ninyo ang kakantahin nila aside from their Win Your Heart version? Could it be the Moonlight or the I Want You Philippine Arena version? At kung ganun nga, siguradong mas mauuna pang hihimlay ang 18.